Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my tutorial. In today's video I'll be teaching how to cut a 3-tiered dress in a very easy way. I'm going to teach you how to make your 3 layers dress very beautiful. First of all, you'll be needing your African print fabric or whatever fabric you want to make use of. So now I have 2 yards of African print fabric and I also have my lining right here. So now the measurement I'll be making use of for the layers part is 17 inches. So now 17 inches divided by 3, because I'm making 3 layers, 17 divided by 3 gave me 6. So now we're going to move 6 from 17 to get the length of our lining. So that gave me around 11. So I added 1 inch to that, making it 12 inches. The 1 inch I added there is for the sewing allowance. All right, now for the width, I made use of the hip measurement plus extra, about 18 inches extra. So if you're making this for an adult, go ahead and use this same method. So now I'm going to fold my lining into 2. From the upper part, I will go down by that 6 inches that I got after dividing the length by 3. Okay, so my length 17 divided by 3, that gave me 6. So now after marking 6 inches from the upper part all the way down, that is the center line there. So that will be the first layer, second layer and the third layer. Okay, so now for the first layer, you are going to add 2.5 inches to that 6 inches. So that will give me 8.5. So the second layer will also be 8.5. While the third layer will be 6 inches plus 1 inch extra. That third layer will not be up to 8.5. all right. After getting the length for each layers, the next thing to do is to fold your African print in this direction. Look at the way I folded mine. From the upper part, I will go down to 8.5, which is the first layer. I'm going to cut out 2 pieces for this 8.5 just because I want it to be very full. After marking my 8.5, I will connect it together with a straight line. I will go ahead and cut it out. As you can see, I've gone ahead to cut the first, second and third layers. For the first layer, I have 2 pieces there. If you're making this for a bigger size, make sure you cut more than 2 pieces so it can be very full. For the second layer, which is 8.5 inches in length, I have 2 pieces as well. For the third layer, which is 6 inches plus 1 inch for sewing allowance, I also have 2 pieces for that. Now I'm going to place it right side facing each other like this, and I'll stitch that area closed for the 3 steps. After stitching it closed, the next thing I did was to fold the hem all the way down for the 3 steps, and then the next thing I did was to run a loose stitch on the other part. Now I'm going to draw one of the ropes to form gathers on it for the 3 layers. So guys, after forming my gathers on the first, second and third layers, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to get my lining piece rather, and I'm going to use the gathers that I have made to just compare to the length of the lining. Now as you can see, it's the same, so therefore it's accurate. Now for the third layer, I'm going to place the right side of the fabric upon the lining like so at the tip there, and I'm going to stitch it up. After sewing it, this is what it looks like. You can see that it's looking very neat. Now I'm going to go ahead and stitch the second layer. I went ahead to measure it again. If it's the same length with the lining, I flipped it like this because I want the seam to be hidden. Now I'm going to go ahead and stitch it on that line. After that, I was done. Now I place the third layer, compare the length to the lining, and then I'm going to stitch it like this. After doing that, this is the final result of the 3 layers. You can see that it's actually very easy. If you watched to this point, do well to follow me. You can also check my channels for more tutorials. I really love the final look of this dress. This is the final result. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.